Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Hey lady, you ugly like sin, you ugly like sin. Hey lady, you ugly like sin, you ugly like sin.
Dread, make your parrot stop tell me say me ugly, cause me no like it.
But Empress, my bird only speaks the truth.
Hey lady, you even ugly at today, you even ugly at today.
All rise. The Honorable Judge Frederick Fairbanks presiding.
This trial is called to order. What do I have before me today?
Your Honor, we have here before us the case of Miss Patsy Patu versus Ras Bongo Jeremiah. Miss Patu wants a cease and desist order served on Ras Bongo Jeremiah for harassment.
Miss Patu, let's hear your case.
Your Honor, every day to and from work I have to pass the Dread yard. He has a parrot that keeps telling me that I'm ugly whenever I pass by.
But she ugly for true. Order! Order in the court! I will not tolerate any heckling in my court.
I told the Dread that he needs to control his parrot because it's harassing me. And to date, the harassment continues.
Ras Bongo Jeremiah, what is your defense against Miss Patu's claim?
Your Honor, I believe that honesty is the best policy. So I train my bird to speak the truth. So I don't know why the lady upset when I bird tell her the truth.
Same thing me I said too. Order in the court. Ras Jeremiah, regardless of your parrot speaking the truth, if Miss Patu feels offended, you should take responsibility for the bird's action. I am granting Miss Patu the cease and desist order. This means if your parrot continues to harass Miss Patu, you will be hauled before the court and suffer the consequences. Do I make myself clear?
No need to threaten I, Your Honor. I will do something about it.
Hey lady,
Bongo Parrot, behave yourself.
I will record the evidence. Big payday for me in court now.
you already know.